Hi guys, today we are gonna learn the cinematic text reveal effect. So for this we need a background, that's a black background. We are gonna use it. So you can go to the library and you can find the black background. For this video I'm getting this 12-second background. Okay, so after that we have to add the text. So I'm adding the text. You can increase the length of the text and let's write okay, just leave it like this. So we're gonna give some effects because we are doing it cinematic. So I'm gonna give the cinematic effect, and then I'm gonna make this bold and uppercase, and I'm gonna use this enter. Okay, so it gives the good bold effect. So maybe you can also use it, or like your choice, whatever you can use that font. So I'm done adding the background, I'm done adding the text. So I can increase a little bit more the size. Then after that, what you have to do, you have to click on the black background and the text, and you can create the compound clip. Okay, either you can select or just right click and select both, and you can create the compound clip. So after creating a compound clip, you have to go to the video. Okay, you have to go to the video. Then there is a basic remove background mask, so you have to go to the mask option. Okay, then you have to go to the add mask. In some CapCut you might see the option mirror, so you have to choose the option mirror. In my case I have this film strip, so I'm gonna use this film strip. So you have to go at the bottom here, you see the rotation. So what we are gonna do, we are gonna use the 60-degree here. So I use the 60-degree here, you can see this. And you see the size 540, so I don't need that much size, so I'm gonna use around 220 or 200. In this case I'm using it. Okay, so here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the keyframe here. So in this I'm going to add a keyframe here. I added the keyframe here. So after that I will drag this to the 3 second. We'll bring to this to the 3 second, and I will drag this here till here. Okay, I want this to be seen little, and the rotation will remain same. Then it will add the position keyframe, but I want to keep all the settings, so I will add keyframe for all. Okay, then after 3 second I'm gonna drag this to the 6 second, and after this what I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna bring this to the top side. So I'm gonna bring this to the top side. Again it's keeping the position keyframe, I'm gonna keep the other setting as well. So I'm gonna click here. Okay, after this 6 second I will drag this to the 8 second. Okay, so I will drag this to the let's take it to the 9 second. Okay, and then I will put this in the center here. Okay, I will put this in the center like this. Okay, and then again what I'm gonna do here, since it's keeping the position keyframe, I will keep other setting as well same. After this what I'm going to do, I will just drag this to the last. Okay, last or just before finishing, you can do that. Then I will just open this up fully. I'm gonna open up this fully. Okay, so you can see the all the text, and then it's keeping the size keyframe here, but I want to keep all the settings same. So I will just click here. So let's see how does it look like. So I will just make this screen big, and I will bring this to the starting, and let's see how it does it look like. So let's see now. Let's see how it does look like from the starting. See, isn't it look so beautiful? It gives you the cinematic effect, the one you see in the trailer and the movie. So you can add this in your video starting or at the conclusion, you can add, it will give you the exact cinematic effect that you see in the trailer or movie. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe the channel and share this video to your friends as well.